So why don't you describe some of these colors?
Basically, keeping with the understanding that after following our conversation that neutrals were the way to go, because my initial reaction prior to any input was whimsy, color, fun, entertaining, and no, that was a really bad idea.
I wouldn't say it's a really bad idea. It's an initial thought that people have.
Yeah, and we didn't go down that road initially, but that was the first thought that comes to mind. And then having that conversation, then my thoughts all changed to neutrals, flexibility, stuff that will go with anything. Whether it's a wood grain for a desk or a plastic laminate for some other kind of cabinetry that's going to be purchased and put in there later. So the basis of what we're trying to do here is going with the calming colors and a calming neutral palette that is flexible not just now but also expandable and something you can kind of work with not just now but in the future. So with that in mind, this is the color carpet that we're selecting for probably about 75% of the space. This is a real neutral, and within that neutral palette we have some kind of purples and some tans and some light colors, so that will pull in if you've got a wood, you've got two different kinds of wood grain furniture, different types of things like that. We've got some grays in here, we've got some purples, and that's what we're trying to pull in when we pull in the walls. So this is the main carpet, and that will be throughout the entire space with the exception of this insert in the fellowship area. That would be this, which is a little bit more, it appears a little bit richer, there's a little bit more going on, there's a pattern to this carpet, which...
Where's that one photo on that?
It's on the outside of the, is it on the outside of this one? Oh, here it is. So this is the patterning of it.
Oh, okay.
So in an area, I'm just going to jump one thing. One of the things that normally wouldn't be something we do in like the preschool area, right? Because but in like an area with a lot of seats or different seating, I think that can kind of be a little more appreciated. It's actually a little nicer. So it kind of suits the